Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'll be assembling the FFR SCD drag chassis that I 3D printed in a previous video that's sized to fit MPC's 1969 Dodge Charger model kits. In that previous video, I unboxed the model kit and assembled the FFR SC1 streetcar style chassis. The STL files for the chassis I'll be assembling in this video are available on Patreon using the link below in the description. This chassis is identical to the one I used for the 74 AMC Gremlin build that I showcased on the channel previously, with the only difference being the wider width and longer wheelbase. I modified the chassis in CAD so it would fit the MPC 69 Charger bodies perfectly. In addition to modifying the chassis, I designed some new wheels. Using full-scale drag car wheels as inspiration, I created the models for both the front and rear wheels. Unlike the wheels and tires I made for the Gremlin, I decided to print these wheels and tires using an SLA 3D printer. The tires won't have a lot of traction unless coated with something like Plastidip, however they will look very scale. The design turned out great. We'll be seeing how they look later on in this video. Here's a look at all the parts needed to build the chassis. Just like with the previous video I made, I'll be quickly going over the entire assembly process. More detailed tutorial videos can be found on this channel. The assembly process overall is very similar to the fully FDM 3D printable FFR SC1 chassis. I started by assembling the rear axle and rear suspension. Because this car has a relatively narrow rear axle, I cut off some of the excess axle shafts. This is optional, but makes the finished chassis look better in my opinion. As always, make sure you're paying attention and following each step closely when assembling any RC chassis. I accidentally mounted one of the axle halves upside down, which needed to be fixed before I could install the rear ladder bars. With the rear end coming together nicely, I secured the main chassis piece to it and then began assembling the front suspension and steering assembly, starting with the knuckles. I again trimmed off the excess axle shaft. With the chassis pretty much complete at this point, it's time to work on the wheels. As I said earlier, these were printed on a SLA 3D printer and the result turned out looking awesome. I sanded both the wheels and tires and later used some water washable glue to temporarily secure the tire to the wheel. These won't provide much grip, but will give the car a great scale look, which is a priority with these builds. If all I wanted to do was go fast, I'd build a 10 scale no prep car or a 24 scale slot drag car. Both of those are awesome options, but for me I enjoy building cars that both look and drive more like the real thing. With the wheels mounted and the body mocked up, here's how it looks so far. The final thing to add are the rear tub pieces, modified to fit the 69 Charger body. The chassis is now complete and looks awesome. As I said before, the STL files are available on Patreon. So I've got two chassis ready to be built into some awesome super scale RC cars, but I won't be building both of them. I'll be sending this drag chassis down to Brad, aka RC Supremacy. If you haven't checked out his videos, I highly recommend doing so, especially if you're into 10 scale drifting or micro RC builds, which I'm sure many of you are. The detail and paint work on his builds is insane, and I'm super excited to see what he's got in the works for this 69 Charger. We'll each be posting some videos showcasing the build process, concluding at USTE 21, where we'll both be in attendance. Don't want to be too much of a spoiler, but we've got some cool stuff in the works for that event, so stay tuned. I believe there may even be some behind the scenes coverage related to USTE coming to the RC Supremacy channel, so even more reason to be sure you're subscribed. Link is below in the description. I know I'm very excited to dive into my own 69 Charger build. I'm going to be trying something that I've never attempted before, which should be interesting to see how it turns out. Be on the lookout for those videos, as well as some more content related to USTE. For those who aren't aware, the Ultimate Scale Truck Expo will be held at the end of February 2021, so we're now about 3 months till the event. USTE is the place for all that is related to super scale RC trucks. There's miles of trails, dozens of vendors, tons of scale trucks on display, classes, competitions, bashing, and even vintage buggy racing, which I'd like to remind you all, I received this awesome Tamiya Grasshopper 2 kit from fellow YouTube creator Josh of RC Everyday, who will be in attendance at this event as well. I'll soon have some videos showcasing the assembly process, 90s era inspired paint job, and my amazing driving skills, so all you racers at USTE better watch out. And by watch out, I mean wear safety glasses or something, because I have no idea what I'm doing. Make It RC is a proud sponsor of USTE and will be there again in February. I made a video showcasing last year's event that I highly recommend you check out. It's an all-around fantastic event that I really can't recommend enough. But that's going to be all for today's video, and before I end it, with the holidays just around the corner, don't forget to check out shop.makeitrc.com. We have a variety of RC accessories and scale shop accessories to choose from, perfect for your scale vehicle or diorama. Thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.